You're such a good little doggy. You get in front of him so you can see his face. Get that. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Is that Kennon right there? He's still on.
What is he on? Cracked out doggy.
Says, why smell what it smells? They tore down that building right there. Remember that was standing for a long time?
Yeah, I remember we went sledding off the roof.
That's right. That's right. Don't we have pictures of us on the roof or something?
I don't know.
Come on. Come on, son. Find that boy's name.
It's the new neighborhood where we live now. Cookie cutter.
He's loving the smell. You guys sort of getting skinny in the haunches here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But he was never really skinny.
Actually, it might be healthy for him.
I was going to say, he's never really
been... He was getting really heavy and now he's...
Dad, there's going to be a runner. We want to let them go by. Hi. Good, how are you?
Hi. A little humid, but nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm impressed you're running. Go you.
So quiet here, but crunching.
That's right, Spot. You take a whiz.
What?
Trying to get it on video.
What? Oh, Spot taking a whiz.
These are the things they're going to miss, Dad.
That's true. Look at that tail going. He's a happy dog.
He's a happy dog.
He's a happy dog. See, I like driving up here so I can, the time I'm walking, you know.
There's something beautiful.
Because if I walk up from the house up to the top of the hill, then I'm going to turn around. I shouldn't really start talking, taking the big loop like you do, and doing that with them every day, probably.
I do it once a year.
I know, but I should start doing that just for my exercise. I'm not doing other stuff. I'm being active, but not really exercise.
These are the woods where I grew up. Like, ready, stop walking. Dad, stop walking.
The birds are going to sleep.
They're saying goodnight. How old is Spot?
We're trying to figure out. I think he might be like 12 or 14. I think he's at least 12. And maybe 14, closer to 14. He's looking younger and younger, too.
Yeah.
He is. He really is looking... He's in much better shape than he was like a year ago.
That's a bad thing. Remember, Potluck was getting better, too. And then...
Well, I hope I don't run over Spot.
That must have been the most awful thing ever.
It was terrible. Look at the deer path right here. Look at that. It's a deer path highway. Look at this. Whoa.
I'm pretty sure it's not just a deer path highway.
You're probably right. It looks like maybe there's bike marks on here. Not too much. I don't know. But the deer definitely come through here.
Where's the side over here, then?
Good point. Looks like the deer is going right across.
They'd be going across, wouldn't they?
Let's see. Good point. So those look pretty far. We'll see. Maybe there might be one down here. Well said, though, Kennon. Well said.
Do you remember when we got Spot?
Yep.
And you were very against getting a dog?
Yep.
And the first thing you said was, "Oh, he's so cute."
I knew you guys wanted them. Look at these frightened ladies. What are they doing here? They're everywhere. Invasive exotics.
That's right, Dad.
They're pretty, but they're taking stuff over.
Have any of your students watched
right there, though.
the fishing video?
What?
On Facebook?
Oh, I
Have any of them learned how to fish with peas?
Oh, not yet. Ooh, I should take some peas when I go down to... Go your walk. When I go down to Kennon Holton on Wednesday. I wonder if anyone would eat peas. I'll try it.
Okay, Dad, we're saying hi now.
Hey, hey.
We're walking the dog. It's exciting.
Yes. Spots in front of us.
We'll go back.
Those are pretty cool. I can take that much video.
I know.
Compared to what my dad can take, you figure that can take 10 times longer than he could take.
What do you mean?
He could only do 3-minute silent loops for each film. He had to take it in. Again, back in the day, it'd be a 3-minute loop on a 8mm camera, silent.
Oh, you're talking about like a camera, like
right.
A video camera.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
But this is, camera, not even video.
Dad, within my lifetime, I can remember the original computers that were like green. Remember that one that printed out our birthday cards?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the hers. Who lives here now, Brian?
Yeah, Brian Keslick.
Brian Keslick.
And they got a new...
This is the lane. We lived down that road.
Somebody got a rope swing going.
I know.
Yeah, he's doing a good job leading this thing.
Don't say anything you don't want everyone to hear, Dad. So don't say anything you don't want everyone to hear.
No, he's not just living inside. He's really making use of the environs and everything.
I remember he still smokes, what, pipe tobacco?
I don't think so. Brian Keslick?
Yeah, it smelled like that when I was in there.
You're talking about Jennifer.
No, I think he was continuing the tradition.
Oh, maybe. It could be the ghost, too.
And I remember petting pigs.
Brian says there's definitely ghosts in there.
I remember petting pigs and
Look at the bird on top of the bird feeder thing. See what it is?
You can't really tell it's a bird. Oh, there it went. And this is... Didn't we used to go and pet pigs there?
Go in there and talk to the pigs and pet them, yeah. And they all come rushing over and then you go. They run away. 925 Old Valley Road.
Where's that?
I never saw that sign before. Must be a new sign. Even though it looks old, I think it's one that was made to look old. Who knows? So nice right now.
And see, that's where the old haunted house is, although now it's a gorgeous mansion that was fixed up. All this is CFS. And that's where CFS is right there. And we lived over there. I think the little white dot. There. It's my clubhouse. He's a kind-hearted dog. Hmm? He's lopsided?
His body's pretty big, amorph.
Well, he's always had that scar.
I can't believe he sheds as much as he does. Oh, he's happy. Guinness Book of World Records.
There's CFS. There's the ugly buildings
That we're getting used to now, though.
that we're getting used to. Here's the haunted house. I remember going inside there.
This is the house that the school basically gave away. Is what it is.
Dad?
Oh, positive video. Is that a car? Spot, you still young enough to want to chase a car? No, he says no.
No.
He says no. Car? I don't even see a car.
What car?
Hello. He didn't even notice the car?
I don't think so. Is he blind and
What is this guy?
Oh, here's the haunted house.
We can go farther down so we can nice entrance they made to it.
Oh, yeah.
Sweetsford Cottage.
I remember going in the pool.
A cottage for the kids.
I remember going in the pool.
The pool's that little hill right over there. She's right over there. And they might have restored it. I'm not even sure if they ever have.
It's a very long video.
They really restored it nice.
Well, we don't take home videos anymore. He did such a good job.
I love the gingerbread on that place.
Hmm?
The gingerbread on the house. The little good details going up his feet.
Oh, yeah.
That's called gingerbread. Or I've heard it called gingerbread. I don't know the scientific word for it.
He's so lucky. Surrounded by parks
No, he did a great deal.
and farmland. But yeah, I remember climbing into the pool with grass at the bottom.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Climbing in and out.
Yep.
Ready to turn around, head back. Are you ready, sweetheart?
Any last words on Spot?
No. He's a happy dog.
When he's not complaining.
No, his tail goes all the time.
I mean at home. Although, if I were him, I'd be upset too, because he was used to being able to... At home he is. He barks and whines.
He's just talking.
Mom spanked him for talking earlier.
Are you videoing still?
Yes.
Look at the wood sorrel.
What's wood sorrel?
The yellow flowers there?
That's wood sorrel?
I'm pretty sure.
It's too pretty to be wood sorrel.
No, it's not. You're right. It's not.
It's a flower, Dad.
Good
Say
call.
it with me now. Flower.
Wood sorrel has flowers too. Sweet pie. It's funny, wood sorrel is called wood sorrel because I never see it in the woods. I always see it on the edges of woods and stuff like that.
Our new neighborhood. Our old neighborhood.
Oh, you can see it. That's right. Oh, good
Ugly
spot.
buildings.
Kind of good spot here.
Oh, Mr. Johnny Quebec, could you be so mean? I told you you'd be sorry for inventing that machine. For all the neighbors, cats and dogs will never more be seen. They've all been ground to sausages in Johnny Quebec's machine. Hey! I don't know the other verses.
I didn't really. I don't know the right order.
Do 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 do.
No. I gotta get these things down. This is pretty bad. There was a little Dutch boy went walking in the store. He bought a pound of sausages and laid them on the floor. Then he began to whistle. He whistled up a tune. And all the little sausages
We're dancing around the room. Hey, oh, Mr. Johnny Quebec, could you be so mean? I told you you'd be sorry for inventing that machine. For all the neighbors, cats and dogs will never more be seen. They've all been ground to sausages, Johnny Quebec's machine.
And what's the next verse?
We can leave it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, no, it says like Johnny Quebec, he made the finest sausages that ever you'd expect. And then one day he invented a sausage machine. His wife, she had a nightmare with walking there. She gave me crank, had to yank. And Johnny Quebec was meat.
These songs we sang as children were so bad.
Well, no, I'm worried.
Okay. That is Spot the happy dog.
Now he's the happy tick and flea-ridden dog, probably. I'm starting to even scratch right now myself a little bit.
I'm not going to tell Mom that.
He's like touching. You want to get him pooping? You got everything else. Spot pooping in high grass. That's a good dog.
We didn't have to see it.
In Alaska, the dogs poop on the boardwalk, so they don't have to worry about going into the.
That's what Tracy. That's what Jaren and Brady trained Precious to do.
Really?
Yeah, she goes on the sidewalk. Not as much anymore, but she used to. I was walking near in Newport, and she went on the sidewalk. It was really convenient. Okay, now that I have a 20-minute video.
Hoot car. Stay on one side or the other. Watch out, you're in poison ivy, sweetheart.
I know. I'm wedged.
How you doing? Did they just come from the house? I think they did.
I don't know. Now I was wedged between the poison ivy. And this is what poison ivy looks like.
Great.
Since we're being educational.
It should be Pennsylvania state flower, but it's not.
Yeah. Spot.
Can't hear you.
Spot.
You look great.
Maybe we need an earthquake.
Hey.
Yo, dog.
Come here. Come here. You good little puppy. You're a good little puppy. Yes, you are. Yeah. Oh, you're a hairy little puppy, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, let's go.